I'm going to turn myself into a Tim Burton character. First, you want to start with the foundation lighter than your skin tone. Squirt on. You want to go for a pale, washed out look, which is why you want to go a lot lighter. Time for contour. You want to create that little button nose, flick it up past your brow. Give yourself some eye bags, then bring it into your crease. Now I'm contouring my forehead. Then I'm lightly going to start blending upwards. Now I'm creating the triangle nose holds. I've added some white to my waterline and underneath my lower lash line. Now I'm adding some darker eyeshadow underneath that white line. Bringing it up to my outer corner. And draw a line at the front, right here. I'm just filling in the front part. For the end, I'm just going to bring it down. So I've done the top liner a bit thicker than usual, and then 2 flicks at the end. I'll make these nice and long and do a few little ones in between them. Extend the outer corners, overline my cupid's bow, and join it up to the ends. I just added some white in the center of the lips, and I'm just blending it out. Okay, putting some white contact lenses in. He's ready to see the end result. Okay, here's the end result, guys. I've never actually seen a black Tim Burton character, so I really wanted to try this. It kind of reminds me of Michael Jackson in Thriller. Honest thoughts? What do you guys think? Do I look like a Tim Burton character? Okay, time to wipe this off. Don't forget to subscribe.